In the quiet hush of dawn, a sudden flame appears, not fire, but feathers. The northern cardinal, Cardinalis, glows like a living ember against leafless branches, reminding us that even in the winter, life burns bright.
Northern Cardinal on the clothesline, singing sunrise over my teeth.
That crimson red is not paint nor chance. It comes from carotenoid pigments found in seeds and fruits. Nature's chemistry transformed into color. The brighter the red, the healthier the bird, signaling strong genes and vitality. Females, clothed in warm browns and soft reds, carry their own quiet elegance, proof that beauty does not always shout.
Cardinal sky set my spirit free.
Cardinals do not migrate. They stay, enduring snow, storms, and silence, teaching us resilience. Their powerful conical beaks are designed by evolution to crack seeds with precision, while their clear whistling songs mark territory and strengthen pair bonds. Many cardinals mate for life, a rare devotion in the wild.
Cardinal sky, lift me higher, red and gold.
But this beauty is fragile. Habitat loss, pesticide use, window collisions, and climate shifts quietly threaten their world.
Set my spirit free.
And yet, humans can help. Plant native shrubs and trees, dogwood, serviceberry, sunflowers, so food returns to the land. Provide clean feeders and fresh water, especially in winter. Keep cats indoors. Make windows bird safe. And choose kindness over chemicals, allowing insects, the base of life's pyramid, to thrive.
Says, hold on, hope is there.
When we protect the cardinal, we protect more than a bird. We preserve color in a fading world, song in the silence, and a reminder that nature's brightest flames do not burn, they live.